Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you how I was able to make up to $1,600 in profit trading prop firm accounts. Now I've already gone over NZD USD in my last video, but we're going to go over GBP CHF and how it did buy up about 100 pips or more this week. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. Whilst you're here, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and switch on those notifications. Let's get into it. Okay, so right now you can see I'm on my chart and I'm on the daily time frame on TradingView. This is a strategy I've literally given to you guys and girls for free, which I teach my VIP members, and I call this the Neo trading strategy. I use the daily, weekly or monthly time frame and I'm looking for a breakout and I'm looking for a retest and an entry of a trade. It's really that simple. The automatic Fibonacci automatically shows me where the high is and where the low is. This is why it's fantastic for me to be able to use that. Now right over here on GBP CHF, you can see there was a break of structure here on the daily time frame with this candle over this section, and then we was just waiting for the retest of this area for a continuation of a trade. We can obviously see that price action has broken through this area and there was a liquidity grab right over here as I marked out with this red circle, and there was another one down here. So at first on the Sunday Zoom call, I was waiting for price action to come to this level here, but what I actually did realize when I went down to the lower time frames is that there was a demand level here as well. So when price action actually went to this demand, we started to see a buy trade. And just to show you on the 4-hour time frame, this was actually a break of structure area right over here, and this is why this was a possible demand level. We can also see multiple wick rejections to this area. So let me just show you that I actually gave this signal out in the VIP area. So when we come over to Telegram, you can see right over here, this was the idea of the trade setup that I actually gave out. Of course, my target high was all the way up here, but I always tell traders to trade 1 to 2 times ADR, which is the average daily range from the entry of the trade. I actually entered this trade around 11:27 London time, and this is me here also showing a break of structure in the market on the 15-minute time frame to let traders know that we can start looking for our buy setup. So this is where the magic begins. When it comes to the Neo trading strategy, I've actually made my own indicator, which is still being coded at the moment, and you can get in on the pre-order list for this. There's only 13 spaces left at the moment and they are going fast. I may add more, but that depends on the demand at the time and how quick I actually manage to get it completed. So right now, let's pay attention to the confluences. We can see over here that the age is our first confluence, and this is telling us that price action is bullish. We can see over here that stop hump 1 is bearish, but at the time of this trade setup, it was actually bullish, and you will be able to see that when I go on the 5-minute strategy tester mode to show you that. Now, the next thing we're looking for is price action to go to the liquidity area. As we can see, the liquidity area has been marked out here. This is still something that's being coded, so I have added this to the screen at the moment. Now, we do have our demand levels here, which the coding for this has been finished, and you can see the demand area right here is where price action has to go towards, or sometimes it does break it, but our main focus is just hoping that it has cleared the liquidity, so we know there's a possible reversal. And here is the buy trade that we can actually see right over there. Now let's head down to the 5-minute time frame so I can break down this trade a little bit more for you, and you can see the strategy tester at work and what the indicator / expert advisor actually does for you. Okay, so right now we're on the 5-minute time frame, and you can see this is the liquidity area here. This is the demand level as well that we saw on the previous time frame, and I just want people to understand that this is an expert advisor, but what's fantastic about this expert advisor is that this product is only going to take a trade for you with the expert advisor when there's a break of structure. So the confluences I just mentioned have to come into play, and when price action is hanging around your possible entry area, instead of you waiting here for price action to break structure and then manually enter, all you have to do is click on this auto trading button and you can literally walk away, and this EA will automatically take the trade for you when there's a break of structure. This is also something that's just being coded, and it's the last part that will be coded, and the indicator will be completed after that. So right over here, we can see that there's our break of structure in the market, and this is where the EA would have taken the trade for you, and your stop loss would be just below this low here or wherever you set it to, and your take profit can easily be set to 1 times ADR with the EA as well. So that would automatically put you 79 pips up this way here in the chart, or you can set it to ADR times 2, which will be 159 pips. I usually go for ADR times 1 because, you know, I'm pretty happy with price action doing that, but sometimes I'll let price action play out to see if I can get to ADR 2. Of course, they don't have to push the market that far. And might I just add, you can see here how stop hunt 1 is actually bullish at the moment. I've just changed this color to white, which is resembling green for the bullish color. So everything that's white here on this dashboard is showing us that there's actually some type of bullish action happening with this indicator. And you can see right over here, this is when I decided to come out of my trade because price action has done 100 pips. So I can see ADR2 is 141 pips, but what we can also see here is stop hunt 1 is actually starting to go bearish again, and it's telling me to come out of the trade. And this is what I started to notify people in the Telegram group of. So I said that it's a possibility of price action actually reversing. So guys and girls, you can see how this was a nice, simple winning trade for me, and I was able to bank up to $1,600 throughout multiple prop firm accounts. So if you do want to get onto the pre-order list for this indicator / EA, all of the information is in the banner below, and it is 100 GBP for lifetime access, and that is a limited time offer. You're also going to get all of the VIP services you can see on the screen at the moment, and this is going to be a fantastic chance for you to be able to make money on your accounts or your prop firm accounts and grow them just like I am doing. Don't miss out on this opportunity, guys and girls, and once it's completed, it will actually go up in price. So whilst you're here, guys and girls, again, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit those notifications, and right now it's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake, got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.